Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Man, it's been a little bit. If you're new here, my name is Veronica. I'm a mommy lifestyle channel. I haven't been on in forever. I wanted to take a break before my kids go back to school. Man, I have so much to catch you up on. I don't even know where to start. Anyways, I will start with, I haven't filmed in so long. I was just, my battery's been plugged into the wall for, I don't know, months now. Months. And I was just like, okay, I'm gonna start vlogging, and I'll tell you guys about everything else in a minute, but I'm gonna start vlogging, so I'm gonna go grab my camera and we're just going to get at it. It's been about 15, almost an hour. Hold on. This is only like a every hour occurrence. Anyways, Ricardo! Enough! So it's been about an hour that I've been frantically looking for my camera. I just found it. And in the process, I destroyed my house. I mean, it was already a mess, but like it's like everything's pulled. I mean, just look at the camera. I mean, the counter. Like there's that bowl back there, and I thought, oh, it's gotta be. It wasn't. It was, for whatever reason, I thought it was a good idea to put the camera in my buffet table in the dining room. I can't figure myself out. So, to cut to the point of what I'm getting at, and to catch you guys up really quick, because this is going to be a vlog. This is just going to be a vlog, so if you're not into vlogs, here's your time to exit. So, originally I wanted to not film for the summer and take it off because, or take off of doing anything. Not that I'm well compensated for this, but I wanted to take off and just enjoy summer with the kids and not have to worry about like, filming and editing, because it does take a lot of time. So I opted to just put the camera up and just have fun, because this was supposed to be Lainey's last summer home, and then she was going to be off to kindergarten, and yeah, I was excited. It turns out the school let me register her, and then when I called to turn in all of her to ask about turning in her shot records and stuff, somebody else that did not register her for school said, oh, she can't go, she's not old enough. And so the cutoff is July 31st, or actually it's technically August 1st if you look it up for our state, but we won't get into it. So she said the cutoff is July 31st. And I'm like, well, she's born like super early in the morning of August 1st. And they're like, no. I'm like, okay. So long story short, I went to the doctor, tried to get a note. They still declined. So I enrolled her into private school. After I enrolled her to private school and we got her uniform and everything, I just felt like, what's it going to do when she's there? Because first grade is the same way. So you had to be 5 for kindergarten by July 31st. And so for first grade, you have to be 6 by July 31st too. So she would have been in private school for 2 years. Then after the 2 years, then I would have, so for second grade, then I would have had to transfer her to our public school, and then she's already made friends. But in the public, or the private school was very, very small. Like there was one class per grade. And so initially I thought, well, let me just move all of my kids over to private school. We ain't got that kind of money. It was going to be, by the time all of them graduated, we could have bought them, let's just see. We could have bought our house and then a really nice brand new vehicle in cash by the time we send them all to school and they graduate. So that's not really an option for us at this given time. So then she would have been going to private school for 2 years, and then I had to uproot her from this very, very intimate setting of, you know, there's only 15 kids in each grade. Some of them more, some of them less, but some of them, I mean, it's about average, 15 to 18 kids per grade, and then uproot her from that to go to public school once she's already like established and comfortable. I just didn't know. And then she would only be going to school with Barrett because Cruz at that point would already be going to middle school. And the whole point was I really wanted all 4 of my kids to be in the same school at one time for just 1 year. So originally I thought, oh, I'm sly. So I'll just go ahead and enroll her into private school and then transfer her from private school to public school. There's rules against that, so don't try it. Anyways, so yeah, I'm staying home with Lainey for a year. So in other news, I have decided while I'm staying home with Lainey that I'm going to do a couple things with YouTube. For one, we're going to do a daily vlog just because, not from obviously any kind of financial gain, because I don't get any views on my vlogs. I mean, there's like 100. So it's not for that. I just want to have like just the memories of this is going to be her very last year home. I get 1 extra year with my sweet princess before I send her off into the system. So I wanted just to vlog like every single day just for this year. And because I'm doing that, then I can't very well do cleaning videos on this channel anymore. So I'm starting a new channel for cleaning videos only. This is so kind of nerve-wracking to me because this is going to be starting back from scratch again, but I don't know. I thought I'd try. I mean, I'm just going to be home anyway, right? And it's 1 kid. She's super easy. And now she's going to be doing like, you know, just basically, I don't know. Later on and throughout the year in the vlog and stuff, I'll show you exactly what she's going to be doing every single day. But for right now, we're just going to enjoy the last few weeks of summer with the boys home. And yeah, so that's what's going on. That's the haps. That's what's new. So I need to make breakfast now. If I feel a little bit off, it's because it feels like new again. I feel like I haven't picked up my camera in, I mean, months. That's why I couldn't find it. So I need to make the kids pancakes. And then now that I've found this camera and started my vlog, I also need to do a cleaning video today. The kids have swim today. Almost ran out of gas. So I stopped and get gas on the way to swim. We just got back from swim. My whole house is an absolute nightmare. But I'm not going to clean all that with you. I'm literally just going to... I thought Tony was coming in. I'm just going to clean the kids' playroom because this I can do all night, but like while I'm like cooking dinner and stuff, that I can't. So I'm gonna go film a cleaning video in there really fast with my good camera. This is what if you ever can tell like a big difference in my videos, which you probably can't because my editing, some gun. Okay, let me just figure out what I broke. Now I'm cleaned up dog poop. And although the rest of my house is completely annihilated, I'm only going to worry about the front room. So I'm gonna go film a cleaning video with like my actual camera and do a cleaning video for the new channel in there. Great first impression because let me tell you, I really look put together today. But I really want to like get the ball rolling, and if you don't just start and you worry about everything being perfect, then you'll never get started. Never. So my goal for the next one to be filmed tomorrow is just to look presentable and ready. So today I'm just gonna get it out there. Tomorrow I'll try to look nice. So I'm gonna go do that and then I'll check back with you guys after a while. I'm learning how to grill because I don't know how to use a charcoal grill, so he's teaching me so I don't have to pester him because he doesn't always want to grill by the time he gets off of work. But I prefer like pork chops and stuff. I just want them grilled. I don't like them in the oven unless they're shake and bake, and I don't like shake and bake all the time. Bone in.
Bone in.
What do you mean?
Keep the bone in there.
Oh yeah. So we just used this KC rib rub and
Himalayan
some
salt.
pink Himalayan salt and
extra virgin olive oil.
Extra virgin olive oil.
And you mix it with
Mixed
the seasoning
it.
in there until it's the consistency of honey, and then you rub that on. Oh yeah.
How many times do you flip them?
With a steak, you only want to flip it once on each side. Pork chops, I'll flip multiple times. It just depends. You go off feel, right? So still able to fold it back. So now, bring the flame up a little bit.
Like a body of water.